Hi everyone, it's great to see you again on Bun's drawing channel. Today, we'll be drawing a pair of cute and friendly sandals. Before we begin, remember to prepare your paper and pens to draw with Bun. Let's get started. To draw a pair of beautiful sandals, follow along with Bun step by step. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about the sandals for us to discover. Would you like to hear it? If you'd like, we can draw and listen to this fascinating story at the same time. In a small corner of the room, there was a pair of very pretty slippers. The two slippers were always together, going everywhere together and never leaving each other's side. Every morning, when the little girl slipped her feet in, the slippers happily went outside with her. They walked across the yard to the park and strolled along the little paths. The left slipper always went a little ahead, while the right slipper gently followed behind, both working together in perfect harmony like a well-coordinated team. One day, in her haste, the little girl dropped one slipper outside. The other slipper lay inside, very sad because it was no longer with its friend. Outside, the lost slipper was also worried and missed its companion. Luckily, the little girl went back to look for and picked up the dropped slipper. When the two slippers were placed together again, they were so happy they almost jumped for joy. From then on, the slippers always went together more carefully. They understand that, though simple, every step becomes joyful and meaningful when they are together. Did you find the story Bun just told interesting? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like so Bun can bring you more fascinating stories. Next, we'll add some decorative shapes around the picture to make it more lively and eye-catching. While drawing, please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rhombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your drawings? Remember to show them to your parents for lots of praise. Now, let's play a fun little game, the color selection wheel. Are you ready? If so, let's start.
Purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura. Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, Rosa. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Yellow. Amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Orange. Noronha. Orange. Noronha. Orange. Noronha.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count aloud.
1. No. 2. Dos. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes surrounding the picture. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's read the names of each shape aloud together.
Circle. Circulo. Square. Quadrado. Triangular. Triangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Heart shape. Form a decor zone. Pink. Rosa. Purple. Purpura. Green. Verde. Red. Rojo. Yellow. Amarillo. Orange. Noronha.
Great. We finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends. And don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos? Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.